I just built a complete website in under 60 seconds. No coding, no design skills, using AI. Here's how you can too.
I built a website in 60 seconds. Using AI, no code needed today, I built a complete website in under 60 seconds. No coding, no design skills, no stress. The secret? It's a free AI website builder called Durable. It's built to help entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small business owners get online fast, and I mean really fast. Here's how it works. I went to durable.co and it asked me one simple question. What kind of business do you want to start? I typed in fitness coach. That was it. Just a few words. And within seconds, Durable generated a full website for me. Not just a blank page or a template, a real functional site with everything already in place. A modern homepage, headline and description stock images that matched my business, a contact form, social media links, and even a professional-looking logo. And I didn't touch a single line of code. I didn't even drag and drop anything. It was completely automatic. The layout looked clean, mobile-friendly, and ready to go live. What I liked most? You can edit anything, from the wording to the color scheme. You can replace the images, change the fonts, and even connect your own domain, all within minutes. This kind of tool is a game changer for entrepreneurs who want to launch fast creators without web design skills, students working on a personal project, or literally anyone who wants a website up today. No hiring developers, no paying hundreds of dollars, no wasting time learning complicated software. Whether you're building a portfolio, a blog, a side hustle, or a full e-commerce store, Durable gets you online instantly. And yes, it's free to start. Just visit durable.co, type in your business idea, and let the AI do the rest. It's actually fun to use. AI tools like this are changing the game, and this is just one of many. If you want more free AI tools that help you save time, grow your brand, and launch faster, make sure to stay tuned. New tutorials, tips, and AI demos are on the way.
Step 1. Go to durable.co. Durable is a free AI website builder. Once you're on the homepage, click Get Started. Step 2. Enter a business idea. Type something like fitness coach. In seconds, Durable gives you a full website layout. Step 3. AI fills everything in text, colors, buttons, contact forms, even the logo. You can customize it or just click Publish. Step 4. Done. That's it. You now have a professional website ready to share. No developer. No stress. Call to action. Try Durable today and build your site in 60 seconds. Subscribe for more insane AI tools that save you time.